Welcome, 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 welcome everyone. Welcome to Center for Spiritual Living Pleasant Valley in Camarillo, California. I'm your host, Sevina, and tonight we will have a midweek spiritual tune up. And the title for the talk is I Accept the Transformative Nature of Change. Our spiritual center going through a change right now, and we all believe that's a change for good. So maybe that what was influencing me to start talking about it, because as a society, if we adopt this mindset of accepting change without resisting it, maybe we will improve our emotional life and the life in general as well. So, since change comes, whatever we want it or not, we might as well get used with it, but get used to it. So, if we cannot keep the change from coming, at least we can find a way to flow with it, because life will naturally return to its ultimate nature, to move forward. So tonight we will contemplate in our relaxation and meditation together. We will contemplate on um, change. Change is inevitable, and we will honor this um, quality of it. But before we go into a relaxed state, I found something on Facebook which will perfectly complement what we are talking about, and how we should not be scared of change, how we should embrace it. It was posted by a fellow Bulgarian. Her name is Petya Tancheva. So, one bottle of water in a supermarket costs $1. In a good restaurant or a hotel will probably cost $3 or $4. The same bottle at the airport or in the airplane will probably cost $5. The bottle is the same, the brand is the same, only the location changes. Each place gives different value to the same product. When you feel useless or think you are useless, when everything around you belittles you, change your location. Don't stay there. Have the courage to change the atmosphere and go to a place where you are valued and considered for who you are. Surround yourself with people who are actually value you and know your worth. Don't settle for less. Well said, huh? So, life is a change, but growth is optional. So choose wisely. This is a quote from Karen Kaiser Clark. So let's contemplate on change. We will relax and we will talk about it. So I want you to sit very comfortable. Relax on the chair or whatever you're sitting or laying on. Just relax your body, drop your shoulders down, away from your ears. Relax your neck and release your jaw. Let your jaw gently drop to the point that your teeth are not touching. That's all you need. So 80% of your face muscles will relax. And close your eyes if you want. And I want you to feel how gravity works. I want you to feel how your body is pressing onto the chair or onto the bed. Feel your bones heavy. And I want you to completely relax the physical body and just focus on my voice. I will speak in first person. Change is inevitable. and I honor this particular quality of change. I honor life. Life is a process of constant transformation, and I'm learning to flow with what happens in my world without resisting, just adapting. Accept, adapt, and continue. When I let go of my resistance to change, I find that often something better comes along. I ride change like a roller coaster, even with its ups and downs, knowing that it all works out. It will if I don't resist. The improvements that come with change are a welcome gift. Just because I accept change doesn't mean I'm destined to never have stability. On the contrary, my life is grounded in enduring because I flow. I ride the change. I accept life as it is. I accept, adjust, and continue. I accept, adjust, and continue. I accept, adjust, and continue. And now, I want you to place your awareness on the skin right in between your eyebrows and completely and fully relax your forehead. Relax your temples. Feel how those little curl lines are smoothing out. Relax your eyes. Relax your cheeks, your nose. Relax your mouth. Let your jaw gently drop. Feel the root of your tongue dropping down, releasing the jaw. And now go down, start relaxing your neck. Relax both of your shoulders. Drop them down, away from your ears. Feel how your shoulder blades are pressing down to the bed or to the back of the chair, wherever you are. Just feel the connective points between your body and the cushion of the chair. And now start relaxing your arms. First the upper arm, the forearm, the wrist, and the fingers. Feel how your arms are completely limp. Feel them how they rest on your lap. Remember the sensation of what it is for your arms to be relaxed, how it feels. And now move your awareness to your chest. If you want, touch your heart, feel the heartbeat. And I want you to focus on the simple act of respiration. Feel how the chest rises up gently on the inhale and gently falls down on the exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. I accept, I adjust, and continue. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just observing this simple act of respiration will give something to the monkey mind to stay away from the thoughts and observe something very simple. Your breath. And that's how the nervous system comes down, the heart rate drops, the blood pressure lowers down, and everything comes in balance. And after you relax your chest, go down and start relaxing your belly. Relax the stomach on the left, liver on the right, small intestine in the middle, large intestine, the colon. Relax this bio battery of yours. Your digestive system is where you store and produce your energy. And with this meditation, we will recharge your bio battery. And we will completely accept the concept of change by accepting, adjusting, and continue. Accept, adjust, continue. Now from the GI system, go down to the pelvis. Relax the urinary tract, the reproductive organs. Feel how your hip bones are melting down. Feel how your buttocks is just sinking down into the chair, completely and fully relaxed. Now you go down, start relaxing your thighs, relax your knees, relax your shins and your calves, relax your ankles, and finally, relax your toes. And now I want you to scan your entire body and feel the beautiful veil of relaxation that covers you from head down to your toes. And I want you to remember how this feels. This is relaxation, the state when the body heals and repairs, and the mind balance. And the subconscious mind is influenced by the positive affirmations, so creating a new patterns of positivity, a new pathway, neural pathways in your brain, so you can see more of positive in the world. In this particular state, accepting positivity is very easy because that's our true nature. On the bottom, it's love. It doesn't matter how many layers the ego forms around this precious seed of love that it's inside of us. So I want you to repeat to yourself like a mantra. This is what the Buddhist said. I accept, I adjust, and continue. I accept, I adjust, and I continue. I accept, I adjust, and I continue. And now I want you to see yourself from above. See this physical shell of yours sitting on the chair or laying on the bed, relaxing, taking care of your health. Observe this self-care from above and commend yourself for doing so, for taking care of the mind and the body, applying a positive affirmations in your reactive mind into your subconscious mind. Affirmations like I accept, adjust, and continue. Accept, adjust, and continue. I accept, adjust, and continue. And now let the lesson at the essence of you, from observing from above, move down to its temporary home, your body, and bring a bundle of joyful energy that will create more stability, alignment, balance into the physical body. And settle into this moment knowing that everything is okay. Everything is alright. You're doing the best you can in your given circumstances. Now, as the essence of you came back home, inside of the body, in this temporary home, bringing balance and love and appreciation to the physical part of you, we can start coming back from whatever your mind chooses to occupy into this particular surroundings of yours. I will count from 10 to 1 backwards, and we will open our eyes. Start coming back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly and very gently open your eyes when you feel ready. Wiggle your toes, move your arms around, shake your head very, very gently. Stretch if you'd like. Just wake up the sensations of your body. And welcome back. Thank you for being with me for the last 20 minutes. I really appreciating you coming and relaxing and meditating together. Please join again, tune up next Thursday. And on 28th, I believe someone else will speak and will bring another good and positive message to you. Thank you to all people in the Facebook land. Thank you. Namaste. I appreciate you very much. Thank you. Namaste.